Hello everyone and welcome back. And welcome back to DMG. I swear there's like a storage device plague or something. That's the 4th drive this month. 6th if you count those floppy drives. I have no clue why so many drives are dying on me. This is one of the $13 SSDs. I recommend you go watch the original video. But it failed with less than 240 hours and less than 100 gigabytes written. Reported 60% health before it failed, and I've been keeping my eyes on these drives for a while. The other one of these actually failed like 6 months ago. These barely lasted over a year, and the last one was like under a year actually. I've already torn one of these down in the original video, but for those who don't want to go watch the whole like video essay, here it is. Look how small it is. You've got this one tiny controller, and then these little man chips. Well, chip, rather, because it only has one. Then the rest of this is a plastic housing. Well, basically, let me explain how this failed. It's only showing up as 1024 megabytes when I plug it into a caddy. 1024 megabytes! I discovered this when trying to install Windows 10 to it. Now, I don't think that this Silicon Motion controller is the issue, because that's an actually good controller. I think this is the issue, the NAND. Because this is probably reject NAND from an actually reputable company. Can I get it off the board? Wow. I can. You saw that. I barely put my screwdriver on it. Cracked solder balls may have been why it failed, actually. Because, come on, you saw how easily that came off. And, like, the actual chip itself is very durable. That's not the part that broke. So, that's just funny. Are the solder balls on the controller that weak? No. I swear, did the GeForce 8000 series engineers design this? Hey, funny joke, because weak solder balls, funny. There's really nowhere else I can go with this video. I just want to say, don't buy one of those SSDs, because they really suck. I had one fail with like 80 gigabytes written, barely over the capacity of the drive, and one with about 100, this one. And the other one was had about 180 hours of uptime at all, just being plugged in and turned on. And these were very lightly used as like SSDs in test benches. The boot drive, not even the drive with the games on it. So like, yeah, these are absolute garbage pretty much. Although I do like the nice pattern of the balls on the on here. It looks kind of nice. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching. Never buy one of these drives, and see you next time.